Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, afternoon, and evening, everyone. Whenever you watch this video, let me introduce myself. My name is Awal. My student ID number is 24001233031. I'm in Class A, majoring English Education. The Honorable our lecturer, Mr. Dr. Kaharudin SIPM Hume, as a lecturer in Phonetic and Phonology course, and all of you guys. Today I'd like to do phonetic exercise for articulating English vowel sound. After studying the theory of producing vowel sounds in English phonetically, we then need to practice the theory so that we can make the vowel sounds accurately and naturally. There are two methods of studying vowel sounds. Method 1, from sound to vowel letters. This method requires the learners to learn how to make vowel sounds by recognizing vowel sounds and their typical spelling variants. Two kinds of sound examples are presented, namely vowel sound E and vowel sound E. Sound E. The production of vowel sound E is shown by presenting words containing vowel letters and vowel combination, which may represent the sound. Letter E. Me, be, he, she, we, Eve, this, scheme, theme, seen, obscene, beat, delete, compete, complete, obsolete, create, concrete, discrete, extreme, supreme, Steve, intervene, precede, receive, equal, even, evening, evil, decent, reason, region, meter, Peter, secret, media, demon, detail, female, legal, genius, senior, convenient, frequent, Peter, premium, previous, under stress in the suffix, Japanese, Chinese, Portuguese, Lebanese, Vietnamese, Maltese, Burmese, manganese, stress or unstressed in the prefix, remake, retell, rewrite, prehistory, pre-war, premarital, premature, prepaid, combination double E, under stress in the root, C, flee, free, agree, degree, need, feel, seed, feed, proceed, succeed, exceed, seen, keen, teen, seek, peak, seam, screen, deep, creep, sleep, plead, meet, greet, sleeve, under stress in the suffix, trainee, refugee, reverie, addressee, combination EA, under stress in the root C, flee, T, peace, B, beach, teach, lead, read, beat, peak, leak, freak, deal, meal, reveal, seal, steal, bean, cream, scream, team, bean, lean, clean, heap, leap, reap, please, release, increase, tease, meet, beat, heat, beneath, breathe, feature, leave, combination IE, under stress in the root, peace, knees, feel, shield, yield, chief, chief, believe, grieve, siege, shriek, freeze, combination EI, under stress in the root, seize, receive, 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 deceive, conceive, conceive, perceive, ceiling, leisure, leisurely, leisurely, letter E, in words of foreign origin, police, gasoline, machine, magazine, marine, routine, vaccine, fac- vaccine, sordine, prestige, regime, elite, naive, pizza, ski, liter, fatigue, fatigue, intrigue, antique, physique, technique, unique. Also the sound E, key, people, Aesop, Oedipus, Oedipus. Sound E. The vowel sound E is made by the following vowel letters and vowel letter combination in English words. Letter letter E. Under stress or unstressed in the root, prefix, suffix, or ending. Eat, beat, fit, sit, miss, kiss, tip, lip, rip, pick, kick, sick, pin, sin, dinner, bring, sing, king, list, wrist, fill, kill, kill, trim, liver, habit, habit, unit, consist, eg- egregor, egregor, inform, inform, infinity, infinity, justice, classic, public, English, swimming, letter E, under stress or unstressed in the root, prefix, suffix, or ending. Enough, effect, 11, electric, emotion, English, despair, pretty, depart, remove, repair, repeat, repeat, reply, pre- preliminary, prepare, prepare, security, security, illness, rakit, rakit, pixies, bridges, edit, counted, letter Y, under stress or unstressed in the root, symbol, lyrics, myriad, hymn, nim, pygmy, pyramid, Sydney, sympathy, synthesis, synchronize, crystal, system, typical, tyranny, mystery, myth, reason, antonym, synonym, pseudonym, acronym. Method 2. From vowel letters to vowel sounds. This method requires the learners to recognize vowel letters and vowel letter combination, which represent particular vowel sounds. The following examples indicate how some vowel combinations represent several sounds. To improve the naturalness of making vowel sounds in English, it is essential that we recognize what possible vowel sounds to produce in such combinations. Combination of vowel letters EA, possible vowel sounds. Vowel sound E, C, T, flee, peace, beach, teach, lead, read, be, peak, leak, freak, deal, kneel, reveal, seal, steal, beam, cream, scream, team, bean, dean, clean, keep, leap, reap, please, release, increase, tease, need, beat, heat, beneath, breathe, creature, leave. Vowel sound A. Bread, dead, head, header, lead, red, spread, thread, dread, thread, ready, instead, sweat, sweater, threat, threaten, breath, death, deaf, health, stealth, wealth, weather, laser, feather, treasures, treasure, measure, pleasure, pleasant, jealous, dealt, man, cleanse, weapon, heaven, heavy, breakfast, breast, vowel sound A, break, great, steak, combination of vowel letters O, possible vowel sounds, vowel sound ow, now, how, cow, row, bow, brow, low, crowd, powder, owl, foul, howl, down, gown, town, clown, brown, drown, crown, browse, browser, towel, bowel, vowel, flower, power, tower, cover, hover, hour. Vowel sound O, no, low, show, row, bow, mow, o, toe, crow, grow, throw, blow, flow, slow, bowl, own, blown, flown, grown, shown, thrown, grows. Vowel sound O, blue, allure, allure, barrow, narrow, window, yellow, low, hello, brow, narrow, window, yellow. Combination of vowel letters O. Possible vowel sounds. Vowel sounds out, out, bout, doubt, couch, cloud, loud, proud, foul, noun, ounce, bounce, noun, found, pound, ground, hound, round, sound, surround, count, mount, mountain, house, mouse, louse, blouse, mouth, south, scout, shout, hour, hour, flower, sour, bow, slough, drought. Vowel sound oo, grew, sue, root, vulva, vulva, cougar, coupon, moose, routine, souvenir, through, wound, you, youth. Vowel sound U. Could, should, would. Vowel neutral sound A. Enough, rough, tough. Country, cousin, couple, double, trouble, touch, touch, flourish, nourish, young. Vowel sound O. Cough, both, broad, both, oath, sort, thought, cause, co, po, o, source, yo. Vowel sound O. Boulder, shoulder, soul, do, zo. The learners may continue practicing these two methods by identifying what letters and letter combinations represent, what vowel sounds referring to the section of vowel letters and their sounds. That's all my explanation. Thank you for the attention. I hope it's useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.